We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words, and some of the most mispronounced ones as well in English, those in particular whose pronunciations vary between British English and American English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say this? In British English, it is normally pronounced as machination, or machinations, machination in British English. In American English, however, in the US, the USA, it is normally said as machination, machination in American English versus machination in British English, hence the confusion sometimes. But now, you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.